In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contacts in Google Calendar. Having your contacts set up properly makes it much easier to invite people to events, send reminders, and keep everything organized in one place. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to quickly add anyone you work or meet with as a contact, right from your calendar view. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. On the right-hand side of the screen, look for the person-shaped icon. This icon is your quick access to contacts. It's usually along the side panel where other tools like Tasks and Keep might appear. Go ahead and click on that person icon to open the Contacts panel. When the panel opens, you'll see options related to your existing contacts. Here, you should find a button or link that says Create Contact. This is what you'll use whenever you want to add someone new. Click on Create Contact, and a new contact form will appear, either in a small window or a side panel, depending on your layout. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start with the basics, the person's name and email address. These two fields are the most important, especially for sending calendar invitations. You can also add a phone number, job title, company, and any notes that might help you remember who this person is or how you work with them. Take a moment to be as clear as you can here. Adding details now saves you time later when you're scanning through your contacts. If you see options to add additional fields, such as a secondary email or a different phone number, feel free to use them when relevant. You don't need to fill out every single field, just what matters for you. Think about what information you'll want available when you're quickly inviting this person to a meeting or checking their details from the calendar. Once you're happy with the information you've entered, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of the contact form. Click on Save to create the contact. After saving, this person will now appear in your contacts, and you'll be able to easily add them as guests to events directly from Google Calendar. That's all there is to it. Click the person icon, choose Create Contact, fill in the details, and save. With just these simple steps, you'll keep your calendar invitations faster, cleaner, and much more organized.